I just visited www.urit.eu and there are really hot news. Extremely hot news. And
well, it's time now to take a look at today's international newspapers, and for that I'm joined by our press reviewer, Nicholas Rushworth. Nicholas, you're going to start off with the global edition of the New York Times, that is the International Herald Tribune.
And its front page story there, I can show it to you very quickly there, right at the top on the front page. The top headline is "Illegal Sale of Organs Increases as Jobs Vanish." Day to day we hear about doom and gloom, austerity around Europe and elsewhere, and this report is linked to that in some way. The report there focuses on a couple in Belgrade in Serbia. They're trying to sell one of their kidneys online for 30,000 euros. That is illegal. Pavle Mirov, he's 50 years of age. He says, "I've lost my job. I can't pay the bills. This is the only way. Selling a kidney is the only way for me to get food on the table." So an excellent article, thoroughly recommended. The paper there is saying, and I want to quote, "With Europe roiled by financial upheaval, the experts are saying the black market for human organs is moving to parts of Europe." So that's a bit worrying.
A concerning trend there.